Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to combine two videos or two scenes to make them a long video using an app called Youcut video editor. To get this app, all you have to do is go to the Play Store, type in Youcut, download and install the app, and you're good to go. To use this app, all you have to do is tap on the plus button, hit on create a new project, tap on any of the videos that you want to combine together to make them into a long video, tap on next, and that's all you need to do. Just hit save and it will be saved to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.